Hello, my friend. Welcome to the Gentle English Podcast. This is your moment to slow down, to listen, and to grow. You are not just learning English, you are building your future. Every time you listen, you are taking a step forward. And remember, small steps taken every day create big change. For the next 7 days, I will guide you. Each day, you will hear simple English. Each day, you will hear motivation. Each day, you will train your ears, your mind, and your heart. Think of this podcast as your safe space. Here, you do not need to rush. Here, you do not need to be perfect. Here, you are free to listen, to practice, and to grow at your own pace. So take a deep breath. Focus on this moment. This is your time. This is your journey. And today, it begins with a lesson. The importance of your time. Why do we start with time? Because time is life. If you use your time well, you grow. If you waste your time, you lose opportunities, and you lose progress. Many people say, I want to learn. I want to improve. I want to change my life. But then they wait. They wait for tomorrow. They wait for next week. They wait for the perfect time. But the truth is, there is no perfect time. The only time we have is now. Let me ask you something. Have you ever said to yourself, I will start tomorrow? Maybe you wanted to exercise. Maybe you wanted to study. Maybe you wanted to practice English. But you told yourself, not today. I am tired. I am busy. I will do it tomorrow. And then tomorrow comes, and again you say, not today, maybe later. Then 1 week passes, 1 month passes, and nothing changes. Does this sound familiar to you? It happens to almost everyone. But I want you to understand this. Tomorrow is not real. Tomorrow is only a dream. The only real time you have is today. The only real time you have is this moment. That is why Benjamin Franklin said, lost time is never found again. When you waste time, it is gone forever. You cannot bring it back. That is why this moment is important. That is why you must start now. Think about this for a moment. Everyone in the world has the same 24 hours each day. A rich person has 24 hours. A poor person has 24 hours. A successful person has 24 hours. A lazy person has 24 hours. The difference is not in the hours. The difference is in how they use them. Some people use their hours to learn, to grow, to improve their lives. Others use their hours to wait, to watch, to waste. Which one are you? Now, let us connect this idea to English learning. Many people say, I want to speak English. I want to understand movies. I want to travel and communicate with people. But when it is time to practice, they say, I am too busy. I will practice later. Days pass, months pass, years pass, and still no progress. Do you know why? Because they are wasting their time. But here is the good news. You do not need to study English for 3 hours every day. You do not need a teacher every day. You only need to use small pieces of your time. Even 10 minutes a day can change you. Listen to English when you wake up. Read a short article when you eat breakfast. Repeat 1 sentence when you are walking. Use your time, do not waste it. There is a Chinese proverb that says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Maybe you think, I should have started learning English earlier. I should have studied more last year. But do not feel bad. Yesterday is gone. You cannot change it. The best time to start was in the past, but the second best time is today. Start now. Start with this moment. Now I want you to imagine yourself 1 year from today. If you waste your time, if you keep waiting, then after 1 year, nothing will change. You will still dream, but you will not improve. But if you listen to English every day, if you use your time wisely, even for just 10 minutes, imagine how much progress you will make in 1 year. You will understand more words. You will feel more confident. You will see real change in yourself. The choice is yours. Remember what Mahatma Gandhi said. The future depends on what you do today. Not what you do tomorrow. Not what you plan for next year. Your future begins today. Your success begins today. Your English begins today. So, my friend, I want you to make a promise to yourself. Say this: I will not waste my time. I will use my time. I will listen to English every day. I will take small steps every day, and I will grow. Say it and believe it. Thank you for listening today to the Gentle English Podcast. This is day 1 of your 7-day English listening practice. Today's message was simple but powerful. Do not waste your time. Use your time. Start now. And tomorrow, come back for day 2, where we will talk about confidence and how it can help you learn English and succeed in life. Goodbye for now, and remember, the best time to start is now.